చేయలేము అని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో ఈ పిక్చర్ని చూస్తే మీకు ఏమనిపిస్తుంది? ఐ సెడ్ దేర్ నీడ్స్ టు బి అ మ్యాడ్నెస్.
Madness in you. And how do you feel when I look at madness?
Artists are supposed to be a little mad, you know. I think everybody who works in the creative field is little cracked only. How Chica, he calls his captain also mad only, like that dialogue in the trailer also you've seen. You say the dialogue.
क्या पागल है हमारा कैप्टन.
So and Chica says we were spending time together, and he says every kind of genius is a little bit crazy, right?
No, we have one more. Yes,
Yeah, one more crazy guy.
What?
He's a bad guy, yeah?
What, bacha?
He's crazy.
I tell you something, dear viewers. मैं एक नमस्कार अंडी. मैं एक చెప్తారు, एक सीक्रेट మొదలు చెప్తారు, एक सीक्रेट మొదలు చెప్తారు.
సార్ మేము ముందు మీకు మైక్ ఇచ్చాము చూసారా సార్?
ये एडीडी का एनर्जी किधर से आया ना? हमारा पागल कैप्टन से आया. कोई पागल है तो ये लोकल लैंग्वेज. ఇప్పుడు నమస్కారం అండి. ఇక్కడ చూడు, పెద్ద పెద్ద సూపర్ స్టార్స్ ఉన్నారు. ఎదురు రణవీర్ సింగ్ ఉదరు, ఇక్కడ नागार्जुन, कपिल देव, किंग कबीर खान. इसका नाम क्या है? नया नाम किंग कबीर खान डायरेक्शन. वो हर्ष बोसे मार्केटिंग हेड है. हमारा विष्णु है उधर. ఇప్పుడు एक सीक्रेट చెప్తారు. ఇక్కడ రాబా, అమ్మా ఇక్కడ రా.
సార్ నా క్వశ్చన్ మీరు లీక్ చేసేస్తున్నారు సార్.
या एक मिनट मा ठहरो मा, एक मिनट.
అయిపోయింది.
ये नागार्जुन गारू कोई नहीं है, मेरा क्लासमेट है, मालूम है क्या? पहला 2 साल का इंजीनियरिंग मेरे साथ पढ़ा. उस टाइम में चुपचाप करके उस सडनली एक दिन देखा शिवा ड्राइंग
Shiva.
कौन रे? नागार्जुन. हमारा नागार्जुन ऐसा कैसा हो गया रे? वो एनर्जी है. किधर से ये एनर्जी मालूम आ गया? मालूम नहीं है. वो नागार्जुन का एनर्जी है.
సార్ నేను ఒక క్వశ్చన్ మిమ్మల్ని అడుగుతాను సార్. ఐ వాస్ ఆస్కింగ్ అబౌట్ an actor's madness. Now I need to change my question to cricketer's
This
madness.
madness comes from this only energy. You ask, no? ఏమి పూछారు?
అదే సార్
ఏమి కూర్చారు? నాగార్జున గారు మ్యాడ్ బోలానా?
సార్ ఒక యాక్టర్ కి పిచ్చి ఉండాలి, కరెక్టేనా అని అడిగాను సార్.
See, you have to understand, all mad people are brilliant.
వా
There is something called method to madness. This is method to madness. These 3 people sitting here are method to madness. This is semi-method to madness. And this is calmness, nothing else.
No, the calm is
With all the mad people around, somebody has to put the energy together, right? That is Mr. Kabir ka. Iska kaam wahi hai.
Ma'am, I can't tell you what this whole experience has been for me. I'm thrilled that the movie is coming out, and it's such a special film. We had such a special night last night. It's really indescribable to me in words. We were all together with our friends, our family, our fraternity members, all under one roof. We watched it for the first time. The players of the World Cup winning squad watched their story on the big screen for the first time, and there was a lot of emotion in that house last night. Last night was really, really, really memorable. There were tears of joy and ovations, and it was one of those nights that you'll never ever forget for the rest. It's etched in my head and heart for the rest of my life. And that was just last night. Just tomorrow our film is coming out.
Many more to come, sir.
And even now I feel so fulfilled by this entire process. I mean, I'm trying to bat like Kapil Dev, bowl like Kapil Dev. Yes, I'm putting in the work, but I'm putting it in gladly. What a great joy it is for me to play cricket and to be, imagine, for me, growing up looking at this guy, looking upon him, admiring him as a legend, as an icon of sport, and being on the ground, being trained by him to bowl like him, to bat like him, being trained by Balwinder Sandhu, interacting with these legends. They come to our film set and bless our film. You know who all came, sir? Gundappa Vishwanath, Sunil Gavaskar, Clive Lloyd, Greenwich, all these people, they come on the set to bless the film. We had such a brilliant cast, such a brilliant team. So this entire process of prepping the film, shooting the film, has been one of the most dear and fond experience of my life. I will, if my life is a highlight reel, this will be at the top of the heap. It'll be full of everything to do in and around 83. It's been too special.
Sir, right from the Gully Boy to Khilji, you have been transforming yourself. I must say that you have actually transformed. Nag sir, with your permission, let me quote. This morning, we've not seen the film yet. There are a few people who saw the film. Already choosini vallu. Annapurna Studios, Supriya garu cinema చూసి, she was saying, sir, I'll translate it for you again. Yeah. సో సినిమా చూసి ఏదో మిస్సింగ్ ఉంది ఈ సినిమాలో అని అనుకున్నారంట. ఏంటో తెలుసా? రణ్వీర్ జీ వాజ్ కామ్, కపిల్ పాజీ ఇస్ క్వైట్ కంపోజ్డ్ అండ్ మెచ్యూర్, అండ్ ఫర్ రణ్వీర్ జీ టు బ్రింగ్ ఇన్ దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ కామ్నెస్ was something that was not expected. How did you manage to keep so calm?
Ma'am, I actually just got off the phone with one of my very dear friends who knows me very closely, and that person was telling me that they saw the film last night and they said, I couldn't see you, and it freaked me out. I was trying to spot you in the whole film and I could not see, your eyes had changed, and that kind of freaked me out. I thought that was the highest compliment, you know, if somebody knows you so well but cannot recognize you on screen and say you've become another person. That was a very a compliment that really touched my heart.
Looking forward for the film, sir. Nag sir, you know, అటు అన్నమయ్య కానివ్వండి, రామదాస్ కానివ్వండి, షిరిడి సాయిబాబా కానివ్వండి, ఒక వేషం వేసుకోవడం తేలికే, కానీ ఆ వేషంలోకి ఒదిగిపోవడం, అందులో ఉన్నటువంటి ఒక ఇమోషన్ని క్యారీ చేయడం యాక్టర్కి చాలా కష్టమైన విషయం. ఈ సినిమా చూసారా మీరు? చూసిన తర్వాత ఇంకా చూడలేరా? ఓకే, మన బ్యాచ్ అయితే. సో అట్లీస్ట్ ట్రైలర్ చూసి ఉంటారు, పాట చూసి ఉంటారు. యాక్టర్
Parts, yes, I've seen.
పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్
Tonight, yeah.
Oh my God!
He hasn't seen the film yet. That's what he told me. So how do you rate the performances? What are you anticipating from the entire film?
From whatever I've seen, అంటే ఇప్పటివరకు నేను తెలుగులో మాట్లాడతాను. Let me speak in Telugu, sir. So it gets to our audience. To our audience. ఈ సినిమాలో ఇందాక ఒక మ్యాడ్నెస్ అన్నావు కదా, అందరిలో దట్ మ్యాడ్నెస్ ఒక పూనకం లాగా వచ్చింది, కనపడుతుంది. రణ్వీర్లో పూనకం లాగా కనపడింది. అంటే అంటే నాకు తెలుసు 83లో ఈ మ్యాచ్ చూస్తాం, నాకు బాగా గుర్తు. దాంట్లో ప్రతి షాట్, ప్రతి బాల్, ప్రతి క్యాచ్ ఐ స్టిల్ రిమెంబర్. 83లో అప్పుడు జస్ట్ కాలేజ్ నుంచి బయటకు వచ్చి, అండ్ అంటే ఈయన మళ్ళీ యాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారా సినిమాలో, కపిల్ గారు వచ్చి యాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారా అనిపించింది ఈయనలో చూశాను అది. And his smile,
coming back on
and I especially remember the backward running catch, and all that. Is it the same thing మళ్ళీ జరుగుతుందా ఇది అన్నట్టు అనిపించింది. ఒక పూనకం వచ్చినట్టు తీసుంటారు. అండ్ దిస్ నేను ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఈ క్రెడిట్ ఓన్లీ రణ్వీర్కే కాదు, ఐ వాంట్ గివ్ ఇట్ టు ద ప్రతి టీమ్ ఆఫ్ 83, ఎస్పెషలీ కబీర్ ఖాన్, అండ్ ఐఎమ్ షూర్ హీ conceived and inspired everybody in this team, and I can see this. And like రణ్వీర్ గారు అన్నట్టు అక్కడ కపిల్ గారు వచ్చి, మై ఫ్రెండ్ శ్రీకాంత్ వచ్చి వాళ్ళందరినీ బ్లెస్ చేసి, విశ్వనాథ్ గారు వచ్చారంట, ఇంకెవరెవరు వచ్చారో తెలియదు, ఫీల్డ్కి వచ్చి వీళ్ళందరినీ బ్లెస్ చేశారు. అంటే ఐ వాంట్ టు గో లిటిల్ మోర్ బిఫోర్ టు టెల్ యూ, ఇది ఈ మ్యాచ్ 83లో ఇట్ ఈస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మ్యాచ్ మూమెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ హిస్టరీ ఇన్ ఇండియా. మాకు అంటే అప్పటి వరకు క్రికెట్ అంటే ఓకే క్రికెట్ అనుకునేవాళ్ళం, ఎందుకంటే మాకు లైవ్ మ్యాచ్లు చూస్తాము అవన్నీ మాకు తెలియదు. బట్ ఫైనల్సే చూసాను నేను, సెమీఫైనల్స్ కూడా చూడలేదు. అండ్ దిస్ మ్యాచ్ వాజ్ అ హిస్టారిక్ మూమెంట్, అండ్ ఇట్స్ జస్ట్ నాట్ ద మ్యాచ్ తర్వాత జరిగిన ఇన్సిడెంట్స్ నాకు చాలా గుర్తు. ఎవ్రీబడి ఆన్ ద స్ట్రీట్స్ పార్టీయింగ్, బర్స్టింగ్ క్రాకర్స్ అండ్ హగ్గింగ్ ఈచ్ అదర్. ఇండియా అంతా ఒక్కటైపోయింది, యునైట్ అయిపోయింది ఇండియా అంతా. అండ్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ దాట్, పొద్దున్నే లేచి మేము వెళ్తుంటే ఎవ్రీబడి ఈజ్ వాకింగ్ విత్ అ స్ట్రట్. ఎవ్రీబడి యాజ్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్స్ దేర్ ఓన్ విక్టరీ, వాళ్ళ సొంత విక్టరీ లాగా వాళ్ళు నడిచే తీరు, అందరూ కాలర్లు పైకి, ఎవ్రీబడి కాలర్స్ వేర్ అప్. దేర్ వాస్ a sense of pride, sir. That is what Kapil ji, that's what you bought into with this match. And క్రికెట్ దాని తర్వాత ఇట్స్ నాట్ ద సేమ్ అగైన్. క్రికెట్, ఇండియా అండ్ క్రికెట్ బికేమ్ అ వరల్డ్ నేమ్. దట్స్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ మ్యాచ్. And this is what I am talking out of goosebumps. And the whole match, sir, it's going through my head right now. Because I remember how he screamed and how he jumped and reached for that extra drink. You know, all of that happened during that time. God bless you, Kabir, for bringing this film to us. Really. And our younger generation, mana young generation, chudali ee cinemani. This is what cricket was. This is what cricket is. India, it was an underdog. Nobody thought India వెళ్ళి అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి గెలుస్తుందా, ఈ కప్పు గెలుచుకొస్తుందా అని. And underdog, and this team just changed. And now to relive that moment, oh God bless, thank you very much.
Thank you. Kabir ji and Kapil Paji.
I also will have to take for 2-3 tissue boxes with him if he's going to see it tonight. If you have
Tears of joy.
if it's indeed, sir, and if it's such a dear memory for you, I'm pretty sure it's really going to touch your heart. So you might cry. Let's just put it this way.
Yes. All the ఇంతవరకు సినిమా చూసిన ప్రతి ఒక్కరు, everybody is saying the same thing, that you might get emotional and that is worth every tear. Wonderful, sir. Sir Kapil Paji, thank you so much for coming here, and it must be an emotional journey for you, reliving the entire victory with these. This must be after 3 decades. It must be an entire reliving memory. And I see every interview or every promotion of 83 association, your association has been very emotional. So, इतनी बार, जितने बार भी हम आपसे बात करते हैं, आप थोड़ा तो एटलीस्ट अंदर से हिलते हैं. Why so much of emotion? And what did this man, Kabir Khan, do to bring that emotion back onto screen?
Can I ask him to speak first?
No,
I
sure.
think he
This
can
is
explain you, then I can talk to you. That's no problem.
Sure, sir. Kabir ji, I've been hearing so much of madness in detail. वो बोलते हैं ना कि God lives in detail, ना? So smallest of the slightest of the details. What drove you to this perfection?
So, a lot is being said, and we are being appreciated for the level of detailing in the film. There was no other way to do it. If you're going to be recreating an iconic moment, you better get it right. Otherwise, retire as a filmmaker and go to the Himalayas, because the country is not going to forgive you for that. So that, yes, is a given. We went through 2 years of research. We sat for hours and days with all the original players. We went, did primary research in terms of archives and meeting people who were witnesses. But more than that, like what Kapil sir said about the emotions, for me, the first part was a given. You have to do that. That's my duty as a filmmaker, to get all that right. But what my challenge is, can I get the emotions that Nag sir just mentioned that he felt on the 25th of June 1983, can I get those emotions back? Even a fraction of that, if I can get back into the theatres, I think we'll have grown-up men weeping in the theatres when they see the film.
And I know you would have nailed it, knowing what you have delivered already and this kind of madness together. You must have nailed it. Now to you, Paji, for my emotional question, कौन सा तार हिलता है अंदर से?
This cricket, what Kabir showed and Ranveer played, it's two sides which I look at. One is the cricket and one is the family. Cricket, I don't have to talk. You've seen everything. If you ask me today, what do I miss? Not so much as cricket, what I miss, the family, the drama, traveling, spending time, talking to each other for 30 days. People misunderstand each other also. But eventually, the family achieved something while they went there. And I think that was more beautiful in this movie. Cricket part, yes, they are actor, they will do anything. But that drama bringing to the screen yesterday was the biggest thing.
I forgot to mention, Kapil Dev garu ninnati varaku cinema chudaledu. He had chosen not to watch the film until yesterday. And why?
That's not me. That's
The
not
entire
me.
team. Yes.
Entire team decided. We have these WhatsApp group, and we said we will watch all together. And we got opportunity. We went with Kabir and to Jadda, and they were showing on the film festival, and we decided no. Me and Mohinder Ramnath got up and walked out. We don't want to see. So last night we all together, and
All of them.
all of us
The entire
seen the movie with our family, with children, grandchildren, or mother or parents, and everybody was crying. The crying cricket is
imagine.
separate. How all the player behave, I think that was which we feel as a team was more proud moment than anything else.
It is indeed. Shrikantji, I know you would overpower and over. मैं खिसक जाती हूँ यहाँ से. बाकी पूरा
Do it,
पंजाबी.
do
Sir, he is this cheeky chica.
Ma'am, if I may, I actually haven't got a chance to hear in detail from him what you felt in the screening. We partied hard after the screening.
That's what I want to talk about.
Yeah.
Yes.
We partied hard. But what did you feel when you were watching?
See-
Because Kabir sir and I were watching you while you were watching the film.
See, the truth is, I was about to talk about that, and thank God you asked me the question. I was hoping that you will ask me the question. See, yesterday, कल मेरे पास भाई पहली बार मैं देखा सिनेमा ऐसा कपिल देव जैसा बोला भी ना पहले बार देखा. I think I should talk this only in English because I could communicate properly in that. Honestly, I told Ranveer last night, I don't think it was Ranveer Singh in the screen. It was Kapil Dev on the screen. I tell you honestly, DBS.
Wow.
I tell you honestly, you will, whenever you watch the movie, because I'm not trying to exaggerate, I don't believe in flattering, I just talk from my heart, you all know how I talk, right? Just like my batting.
Hey, you talk like you bat, huh?
That talk, batting में कोटिना बाजे कोटा दिलेजियम खत्म खत्म ये लोग कुटल वाला गोइंदा गोइंदा मारो मारो तो मारो आउट आउट नवा बैटिंग स्टाइल जैसे मैं बात भी करेगा. Yesterday I tell you Nagarjuna honestly, since you are a superstar yourself, I did not see Kapil Dev. I did not see Ranveer Singh. I saw only Kapil Dev. I could not recognize Ranveer Singh. The way I think Kabir, you have done a brilliant job. Because you have spoken enough about that. Thank you. Because you have spoken enough about cricket, as Kapil said very rightly. I'm talking about a review of a cinema of ourselves, reliving ourselves, and to the minutest details, dear viewers, dear friends, I would say everything is being covered. There's not a single false message in this movie.
Super.
Here and there, they could have probably adjusted it. Thought adjustment, that's all. But everything is true. Till yesterday, there are so many personal matters of Kapil Dev which I didn't know. Can you see?
So you're
No,
not a
you're not
fan.
going to give any spoilers,
Can you ask
please.
them? Okay, no, there's so many things like how his mother calls them and all. And Kapil Dev, we are all known, comes from a very, very simple joint family background because we all gone there. We have been invited to his house and all. The greatness of Kapil Dev is shown in the movie here. His simplicity, dear friends, his simplicity. I swear on God, you will never find a superstar cricketer, one of the greatest all-rounders after Sir Garfield Sobers, being so simple, Kapsi. To see great Apache.
Great, Apache.
To see great Apache.
Yes, and 83 be great hoga, sir. As I was mentioning, it's going to be a moment of history. And to put together this wonderful film, Shibashish ji, must not have been an easy task. The research, kind of getting everything into it must have been really tough. How?
On us. So anybody do you feel your finger crossed, I hope, ban jaye. So I said, Kabir, I hope the person 2 years after the movie almost done the work and they didn't release and we were worried, the financiers start feeling uneasy. Doesn't matter what business, what work. And I will start feeling, I hope Reliance don't, try to say, let's do it fast. They waited for almost 2.5 years, and 2.5 years film money you're losing for that much. It's not easy. I don't want to tell you how much money because I don't know exactly and it's incorrect. But that was the strength what Kabir had behind him.
Wonderful, sir. And it's not an easy task as producers. మన 83 ఫిల్మ్కి నాంది ప్రస్తావన ఒక తెలుగువాడు చేయడం, ఈ సినిమాకి ఒక లంకె వేసి ఆయన్ని పట్టుకొచ్చి ఇది ఒప్పించి పర్మిషన్స్ తెచ్చుకోవడం దగ్గర నుంచి మొదటి అడుగు వేసింది మన విష్ణువర్ధన్ ఇందుకూరి. గట్టిగా చప్పట్లతోటి ఆయనకు ఒక్కసారి, ఎందుకంటే దేశాన్ని కలిపే శక్తి సినిమాకి క్రికెట్కి మాత్రమే ఉంది. అది CCL ద్వారా ప్రూవ్ చేసినటువంటి వ్యక్తి. మరి ఆయన ఏ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ తోటి దీన్ని నమ్మారో, ఎలా కపిల్ పాజీని ఒప్పించారో ఒక్కసారి. కపిల్ జీ, ఐ వాజ్ షేరింగ్ an interaction with Vishnuji earlier this evening. So I was trying to get from him how he convinced you, how he reached you.
No, I think almost 8 years back or 9 years back, he started coming to me. He said, we want to make a movie on 1983, your champion team. I said, no, it's too early. I don't like that. He keep on coming to my office for 3 years. He used to say, can I have a cup of tea? Again, sometimes he start talking little bit. Why not? But I said, listen, if you want to talk about 83, I'm not here. Then finally, I must say that he convinced us, and I put it to the team. I said, somebody want to make a movie on 83? And whole team said, as we said, the team decided, okay, why not? I thought we are too young. I'm not too young anyway, but we were thinking that we were too young. Then Vishnu, one day, I called the team and said, okay, go ahead, man. It's your cup of tea now. And then he went to Kabir, convinced him. Kabir went to Ranveer, and that's where the thing started.
The collaborative effort
The
started.
half of the team, more than Kabir Ranveer, I want to say thanks to him, because he's the one who really started.
ఇది 83 వెనకాలన్న తెలుగు పునాది. విష్ణు గారు.
When we were doing CCL, అప్పుడు అనిపించింది క్రికెట్ ఇండియాలో ఇంత పాపులర్ అవటానికి ఒకటే ఒక రీజన్ ఇస్ దట్ 83 win. If 83 win was not there, cricket wouldn't have been so popular. It would have been like any other game, like football or hockey or any other game, without so much of popularity. So if cricket is religion today, it's because of those people, couple devils or couple gods, who made it possible. So I badly wanted to do that film, and naalo okta quality entante 1% chance unna I don't want to leave that. So I saw some 1% chance whenever Kapil sir was saying no, that it can be convinced on okka chance. చాలా సార్లు ఫోన్ 2-3 సార్లు ఫోన్ ఎత్తకపోతే నేను ఢిల్లీ వెళ్ళిపోయి ల్యాండ్ అయ్యేవాడిని. ఏంటి వచ్చండి, ఏం లేదు సార్, క్యాజువల్లీ ఐఎమ్ హియర్ ఆన్ సమ్ అదర్ వర్క్, ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు మీట్ యూ, దట్స్ ఇట్. But really, I didn't have any other work. I wanted to do the film, I wanted to meet him, convince him. In the process, what I realized is, why is Kapil Dev a legend even after 38 years? Is only because he was the captain in 1983. He is still their captain. Because adi endukundante they believe that Kapil sir will safeguard their interest at any cost, above his own personal interest. The day we wanted to make the film, he clearly told only one thing: hope. Every player is given their due. The film shouldn't be only about me, it should be about the team. Alane every stage he makes sure the team gets their due. And coming to Kabir sir, I don't think any other director would have done so much justice to this film. Chusante, it's like every frame is like a painting. The research, the detail, it's amazing. Cinema chustante naaku script mottham chadivina kallan neellu ala roll avutunde. I was in tears many times watching the film because it's so real. And coming to Ranveer, he lived Kapil on screen. At the same time, I just want to mention one thing that I never mentioned any actor would want 100% for himself in a film. Like Kapil sir, Ranveer also played a true captain in this film. He made sure everyone in the team are taken together. Everyone got their that moment in the. So if you see 14 players, anyone can be dissatisfied.
No one. Everyone is so happy, and that is possible only because of Kabir sir and Ranveer.
Wonderful.
They made sure that everyone got that moment.
Not
This is one thing that never happened before and will never happen again. And 2 years lockdown lo unna cinema ela tiyalanna Subhashis ji always used to say we should make the best film, and this film should be seen only in theaters. If not for Reliance, this film wouldn't have been what it is today. And thank you, Subhashis ji. It's like a relay. He always says, "Sir, we are playing a relay running race. You started it. You gave the baton to Kabir, then Ranveer, then we."
No, it's a wonderful
delivery.
term,
And
Vishnu
the
garu.
last slap I'd like to mention is how thrilled we are.
The
I've
baton
been
now.
a fan of his.
And Telugulo present
as
cheyalani-
Chika sir said, since Shiva days. You'll never forget that film. So, sir, I'm thrilled that I have a film of mine that's being presented by a legend that I've always looked up to. Thank you so much.
When Telugu present చేయాలనుకుంటున్నప్పుడు there is no second name that came into anyone's thought. It's Nag sir, and whenever we have CCL also finals, and Nag sir used to be in the ground. Thank you, sir, then and now, and your love for cricket is seen through Akhil. And thanks a lot, sir, for presenting and accepting our request. It's immense pleasure.
నాకు సార్ మీకు చాలా గొప్ప అనుబంధం మనం తర్వాత నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయింది. సో 83 ఆ బాండ్ ఇంకా స్ట్రాంగ్ చేస్తుందా?
Yeah. First, let me thank Kabir Khan for thanking me. Kabir ji, I love your films. I've seen your Bajrangi, Baijan. It is my all-time favorite.
Thank you, sir.
It is my all-time favorite. And of course, there are other films too, but I'm just mentioning one of those films. And I can imagine the detailing you would have done in this film. I can imagine the life you poured into this film, and the director you are. And thank you for letting me present this film. And yes, Subhashish, we have a long relationship undi. One of my father's last film, Manam, was we both produced it together, Reliance and myself, and we'll never forget that. But that was.
I think honestly, I think the best part of Nag sir is that he gives that space anyone to come with any kind of request. Means he gives that space. It was easy for us to discuss and made that request. I don't even know what reaction would have been from anyone, but he took it calmly. Acha, you guys are doing 83, okay, fine. We'll come and discuss. And I said, Acha, okay. Nag sir is convinced. That is great.
Subhashish, it was like a dream come true when you said, would you present 83? I said, what? Present 83, this is something which I would love to. It just brought back the memories like I just spoke before. And thank you for the opportunity, Subhashish. And Kapilji is my hero from that time. You know, he was a hero then, he was a hero now. And it's just not, I'm not saying just because he played great cricket. It is the way he conducted himself on the field. And he always conducted with dignity and grace. And how he took his whole team together. It all projected out. Nobody needs to tell, everybody's telling now. But we knew it much before. And I'm so glad that I could present this film, Kapilji, about you and your victory. And of course, Chika, my friend. I remember him in college. He used to be our team captain.
Honestly, your age. Okay, bye.
I know everybody cannot be handsome like Nagarjuna. If I was like I was handsome like Nagarjuna, I'd be in Subhash's office and your office, and I probably Ranveer Singh, we'd all be doing shows, movies together, my child.
Sit here, sit.
Shrikant
I
sir.
said your age. I thought you are 10 years younger than him.
Sir, clean bowler. Sir, sir, this is not just with Shrikant sir. उनके बच्चे भी उनसे ऐसे डरते हैं, तो क्या कंपटीशन है बोलो? अभी अखिल जी और जय जी भी ऐसे सोचते हैं।
समझ आया वो? नहीं, okay. मैं बताऊं?
हाँ बताओ।
तमिल में?
हाँ तमिल में।
Okay. Okay. They said children. His children is competing with him. They look old and he look young.
Now what are you trying to say? I'm 80 years old?
ठीक है,
But she
was
said-
what? But anyway, now
Madam, what is this, madam?
sir, nobody wants to talk about age and weight here, sir.
Hey, let's go. Let's go.
नहीं, बिठाने के
But
लिए
actually, but
एक ही
honestly,
बात
I tell you what.
He-
Definitely he looks very young. Honestly. See, I tell you what. I've been watching all his movies. Thola, Wild Dog, Annamaya, Ramadasu. You tell me, Shirdi Sai Baba, Telugu version, Tamil version, Hindi version, everything I've seen. I swear on God. I swear on God.
Chika, sit down.
सर नेक्स्ट आप ब्रह्मास्त्र के लिए भी वेट कीजिएगा, आएंगे।
ఇంతకీ మా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకుంటారుగా, గంట కొట్టడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోవద్దు.